Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the new, not new model, but the model that Tesla has been removed, and today they actually officially opened for order. That is the Model 3 long range. And as you can see, now we have three options. The Model 3, just simply rear wheel drive, $40,000, and the long range, $47,240. And the Model 3 Performance, which is $53,240. The difference about $6,000, and this is about $7,000. So is it even worth it to get the Model 3 long range? So let's do a little bit of breakdown, okay? So as you can see here, Tesla is really good. They always update the information to make sure that if the consumer, if they're gonna buy it, are they gonna be qualified for the $3,750 or the $7,500? And as you can see right here, the Model 3 rear-wheel drive and the long range is only $3,750. Reason being is because the Model 3 long range is now using LFP battery, which is coming from China. Therefore, it only gets half of the credit. If you're getting a performance, you're still gonna get the 7,500 credit. Okay, so keep that in mind. So you can see here the long range right now, the miles wise is 325 plus miles, so it could be more. And top speed is 142, and the 0 to 60 is 4.2 seconds. Okay, so price wise, if you get this one and if you buy it, you only get like what, minus 3,700. So I think if you're it's better. It's not that the price wise and the rebate it doesn't make it tempting too much, because for $47,000, you can actually look for it's in the price range of the Model Y. And you can see right here the three types of Model Y, and all of the Model Ys qualify for the 7,500 federal tax credit. Okay, so if you're thinking about spending the money for the bucks, a Model Y would make more sense, because even with the all-wheel drive right here, 4724, the mile range is 279, and this one is the one that is from Austin, Texas. Okay, they're using the new type of battery, 4680, and this long range right here, which is the one that I bought. Okay, it used to be a prime high, but now it's only $50,000. And remember, you also get the 7,500 tax incentive too, and for the performance, it's only $4,000 difference. So if you ask me, or if I have a chance or another opportunity to buy the car, I would definitely pick the performance over that. Because if you think about, let's say if you were to go with the long range, and all of a sudden now you want it go a little bit faster, you pay like $2,000 for the acceleration boost, which only bring down 2.5 seconds. So it's only 4.2, right? Or 4.6. But look at the performance of this one, 3.5. That is super, super fast. Okay? So, and again, why would you buy a Model 3 long range when you can spend another $3,000 and you can get the Model Y long range? Okay? Or maybe if you don't need the range, then you can spend the same amount of money and get the comfort of a Model Y. Bigger, roomier, more comfortable, But if you're an individual who's single, who wants to drive a really fast car, and to show off to our friends or, anybody. So the Model 3 Performance would be a no-brainer. It's very sporty. It's really hard to find another vehicle out there that can beat you. You know what I mean? And for the price wise, I don't think the Model Y long range make any sense at all. In my opinion, it should be around maybe 44 or 43 would be in the appropriate price range. But then the price range will be so much of a gap of the performance. But yeah, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about the pricing of the Model 3 long range, and if you were to buy, would you buy a Model 3 or a Model Y? So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.